This video is sponsored by Moomoo. If you want up to $14,000 and 7 free stocks, you can do so using the link below in the description or pinned comment section to sign up for their brokerage. Dun, 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 dun. Indoor sunglasses engaged. Today, we are going to be talking about Envb Biosciences, or ticker symbol ENVB. We got a ton of volume today. We've been talking about this ticker for the past few days. Absolute banger, alerted it out in Hootmoney Trade Alerts as well this past week. Everyone is eating, everyone is happy. I didn't leave anyone out on this one. So if you guys are banking, drop a like on today's video. We're also running a special promotion on Hootmoney Trade Alerts. If you use the coupon code ENVBOOM, then you get 50% off your first month of Hootmoney Trade Alerts. That's the first link in the description, first link in pinned comment section down below. Come on through, come join the family. We're all banking up, all having a good time. But with that being said, let's get right into it. So today, we have a market theme. It might be with the S&P 500 consolidating a little bit, but we are getting some more low float movement in the entire market. And what we did, in fact, see was that Mind Medicine, which is also a psychedelic biotechnology company. As you guys can see right here, products derived from the psychedelic and empathogen drug classes. It's also a psychedelic research biotechnology company. It was up in the pre-market. This set the tone for the day. We also had ticker symbol drug pop up. This is up 265% on the day. And then other stocks like Cybin up 9% on the day, also getting sympathy from the move. Now, ENVB is up 11% on the day so far. It jumped up to 854. I didn't sell, guys. I actually bought more shares at 833. I'm going for it all, baby. We just got to listen to the stats. We got 20% short interest, about 17% short interest, give or take a few percent because Ortex is going to be incorrect, on a 1.37 million share free float. No warrants that are in the money, nothing that's going to dilute us right now. They just completed their S3 offering, so they're probably not going to raise any money anytime soon. They have money. They have double the money as their market cap. And with psychedelic stocks being a market theme right now, there's no reason for ENVB to not squeeze, right? So if you're flipping this thing for a penny or for $1, you're gonna miss out on the bigger move. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So the news for Mind Medicine is actually quite comical. There was a trader that traded Bed Bath & Beyond, college student. He made $110 million trading BBBY, and he also reported to have Mind Medicine in his portfolio. So because of that, psychedelic stocks just completely stole the day today. What's really quite interesting about ENVB is how much this stock has been beat up in only about a year's time. Started trading on the NASDAQ around January of 2021, and since then the chart has only really gone down. It started trading at around $250 per share. Now it's trading at $7.27. Now it did go through a reverse split recently, but that reverse split actually exposed some of the liquidity issues that this stock was facing, whether that was from shorting or whatnot. I can't really tell you, but the short interest started picking up right after this stock did its reverse split, and coincidentally, it has green money flow for the first time since it started trading on the NASDAQ. So, with that being said, it is set up in a position where it could absolutely go parabolic, but it does require people to hold on to this. Also, if we're just looking at the daily chart, it did give a really good signal right here with a big blue wave to the downside, small blue wave to the upside. That is the classic market cipher signal. Also red to green money flow crossover, what we were just talking about. Essentially, this is the perfect signal to be going long on a position. There are so many stocks right now that are overbought, Mind Medicine including, which is probably why it's giving up some gains right here as soon as the market opened. But and you can see, if we just scroll back on Mind Medicine's chart, it was already coming up. This stock, I mean, it's at an all-time low. It's still at an all-time low double the cash as the market cap. There's plenty of room to run. There's no reason for shorts to be shorting this thing in the first place, right? The past 2 days, if we scroll down here, you can see short volume picked up so much. And coincidentally, 2 days ago, that's when I posted my first video on it. I just don't understand, because it's a 1.35 million share free float, absolutely micro, one of the smallest floats in the entire market. There's already about 17 to 20% short interest on the stock. What are these guys doing? And then we get Mind Medicine pulling off a run today. This stock follows, and we're getting some good price action. So shorts are using up a ton of their short share availability today. Again, this is why we're only up about 11% today, 11% from our highs. It's because they've been shorting the crap out of it. We already told you about how short volume increased absolutely substantially the past 2 days. Now, once again, the stock price is up. They find more shares to short out of thin air, and they're using them up again. And now they're down to 10,000. I can imagine they're going to use the rest of those, maybe look for more. I mean, the borrow rate has been increasing as well, back up to 97% there on Fintel. Shorts, plain and simple, are just overcrowded in this absolute micro float stock, and today was the prick that absolutely pricked them, and now they seem to be out of control with volume spiking up. And that's why it's important to keep holding this thing if we want a real squeeze. What happened over here where we went to 1487? That didn't happen on accident. It was because of the reverse split. It was because of the shorting that's involved and them not being able to deliver shares to shareholders once the float got smaller. The same situation now, guys. There was that S3, but it is still being over shorted. Again, the 20% short interest is new. That came onto the stock once it already came back down. The 20% short interest came in on the stock right here, guys. They are down on their money. They are losing, and they are doing whatever they can to keep it down. And they simply don't have the shares. I mean, we already traded twice the float today. This thing is going to squeeze. I have confidence. That's all I got for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Indoor sunglasses, disengage. Drop a like if you guys have banked up on ENVB, and if you guys want to see other stocks, it really helps me out when you drop the like. Subscribe to the channel if y'all are new, and remember, we are running that 50% off discount code for the first month of Hootmoney Trade Alerts, code ENVBOOM. Baby, when you are checking out, there will be a link below that automatically applies the discount code for you. So that's about it, my friends. ENVB, it ain't over yet. We're getting another leg up. See you guys next time.